Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and today we're going to cook some pizza. We're going to do it on the pellet grill. I got me one of those stones. I don't know if you can see the stone in there. Pellet grills are rocking right now. You can probably hear it. But we're going to make up some pizza. First, we're going to do a gluten-free crust. Our wife needs gluten-free, so we're going to do hers first. That way we don't contaminate hers with the other one. So basically we're going to make two pizzas, but we are going to do hers first. So, we're going to get started here. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to cooking a pizza. Not a clue. I will be the first person to tell you. I have no idea what I'm doing. So, I watched some videos and seen what other people did. Hopefully, we can recreate what they did. I hope. I truly just don't know. And I feel like this crust that she wants is like super crumbly. So this might be, it may need a little water or something on it. I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of working. I don't know. So, I don't know how to make a dough. I've never made a dough before. This is a first for me. Alright, so now we're going to start with the sauce. I'm going to get some basic pizza sauce here out of a can. Pretty easy. I'm not going to whip everything up. I know a lot of these cooking shows, people just like whip stuff up. And, oh, we're going to make it like this. And make it from scratch. Yo, I ain't got time for that. I got no time to make pizza from scratch. We're just going to throw a bunch of sauce on. Hopefully this crust turns out well. I don't really know about this whole crust deal here. Alright, so I do have some garlic butter melting in here, and we'll put that on once the pizza's a little more cooked. But let's go ahead and get our cheese. We got our cheese here. Alright, we got our onions. We're going to throw some onions on. We got some green peppers. Frozen green peppers. The good thing about frozen is when you put this pizza on, it will take long enough that the frozen part won't matter much. So, here's green peppers and onions. And she wants some mushrooms. So we're going to take a little mushrooms out here. Some mushrooms. Yes, I don't like mushrooms on mine. Fish, fruit, or fungus doesn't work for me. But she likes her mushrooms and her vegetables, so I say whatever you want, dear. But there we go. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, mushrooms are down. Now, time for some cheese. Put our cheese up. You guys, by the way, do you guys like the new background? I thought this is pretty cool. The only thing is, you can still see over here, you can see all those light coming through, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that yet, but I thought the background was pretty cool. We may have to do some adjusting with all this yet. But, alright, cheese. I am using this creamy melt mozzarella. I kind of was doing some research on what cheese to use, and of course you want mozzarella, but you know, what melts the best? You know, what's the best kind? And like I said, I'm not going to go and do all this work, you know, slicing my own cheese. So anyway, alright, so hopefully you can see in this other camera, there's our pizza. Hopefully we can get this on now. Alright, so real quick, I realized I didn't have my light on back here. I don't think that light's going to stay there. I don't know. You guys tell me. If you guys like this backdrop and all this that I'm doing, you let me know. Tell me down there in the description. I'd really appreciate it. Really appreciate the help. I kind of want to go for something a little cooler, really nicer for these videos. But anyway, everything should be ready to go. I think this is all up to temp. We're going to check it real quick. Check the stone. We'll make sure the stone's nice and hot. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so stone's up to temp. The garlic butter is melting. So let's go ahead and get this on the stone. while the other pizza is cooking here, we're gonna go ahead and make my pizza. And this dough seemed like it turned out really well. I don't know why. I don't know. That gluten, for some reason, that gluten makes things just so much weirder, especially in cooking. I don't know. I don't know what the difference is. I mean, obviously it's gluten-free, but whatever. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make this other pizza because I want to go ahead and get it ready to go. That way, once this one comes out, we'll be ready to throw this one right in. But we're just gonna do probably about as thin crust as possible. Hopefully, we don't make it too thin where it tears. We're gonna just do a regular old round pizza here. Alright, now we're gonna throw some sauce on it. I like my sauce, so I'm gonna put a lot of sauce on. We're gonna do basically a regular pepperoni pizza is all we're doing. So we're gonna put our sauce down. Put our cheese on. I mean, at least it looks good. I don't know if it's going to taste good, but at least it looks good, you know? That's all we're going for. We're going for some looks here. Alright, so cheese is on. Now we're going to add some pepperoni. Some roonies, and we just got some old cheapo pepperonis to throw on, but that's okay. You can use whatever you want. Any toppings are good. My kids love pepperoni, so I figured why not? We'll do a pepperoni. We'll split this, see how it tastes. Just like that. Alright. Now, we need to check on our pizza. Alright, so I believe our first pizza is done, the gluten-free pizza. We're going to go ahead and pull it off. We're going to set it off the side, let it cool a minute, and then we'll cut it up for you guys. Woo-wee. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put... Show you. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the next pizza on. I kind of messed up a little bit. I was trying to push it onto the pizza peel here and kind of messed it up a little bit. So hopefully it'll come off easier than it went on. So let's get it on the grill. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, first pizza's done. It's out. We got it on the board here. We're gonna give it a little cut. Woo! Nice and crunchy. Perfect. All right, once again, pizza's done. Let's pull it out. Woo, baby. Baby, doesn't that look good? Woo! Put a little garlic butter on top too to help it. Man, looks fantastic. Alright guys, let's go ahead and cut this pizza up because I'm hungry. Alright y'all, that's all I have for you today. Let's take a bite of this real quick and see how it turned out. Woo, baby. recipe for this. It's just the crust is a mix I bought from Walmart. All the ingredients are from Walmart, and I just cooked it on a stone in a pellet grill. Now I had this on high heat, about 450 degrees, 500 degrees. It cooked it perfect. So anyway, go give us a shot. You know, go try it. Try it out. See what you can do. You might impress yourself. I just impressed myself. I didn't know I could do this. You know, try something new. But that's all I have for you guys today. Click the links in the description. Take you to my website, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. It will take you. Boy, English stuff. It will take you to my website and also like the merch page, so you guys can buy some shirts. I got some new shirts out. Go check them out. Help me out. Help you out. And we'll see you guys next time.